IBEW Local 82s, we've been powering the Miami Valley since 1916. We deal with renovation and new electrical construction. In 2018, we hosted the IBEW bowling tournament. It's an annual event. It brought in over 750 bowlers from about 40 or so locals. We had people all the way from Ontario, Canada, St. Louis, New York City, parts of Florida. We hosted this event in 1978, and it was kind of a 40th anniversary, and we were picked out, and we were proud to host it. For the bowling part, we used Marion Lanes in Huber Heights and Woodman Lanes in Kettering. And the host hotel was the Marriott at UD. Very nice facility. All the bowlers stayed there, and we had a banquet and the awards there as well. The bowlers loved Dayton. We issued pamphlets from the Visitors Bureau for local attractions. A lot of them visited the Air Force Museum. I think some went out to Cox Arboretum. Everything went off pretty much without a hitch, and great cooperation, great communication between Local 82 and the Visitors Bureau. It was amazing. Fantastic feedback from everybody. Everybody seemed to enjoy it, and they'd come back to Dayton.